Great ideas for creating a vlog. So you want to start a vlog but you are not sure what to vlog about? It's okay, we understand. Creating a vlog is a big commitment as you have to come up with new videos on a regular basis. But don't worry because we have you covered in this article. You will find some very inspiring ideas for your vlog here. How-to vlog. Do you have specific skills that you can use to make tutorial videos to show your audience how to do something? Of course you do. Sometimes it's just a matter of identifying the skills that you have. Are you a good cook? Do you know a lot about makeup and cosmetics? Do you know how to make money online? Can you create websites? Are you great with software like Microsoft Office or Adobe Photoshop? Take some time out and make a list of your skills. What do you really enjoy doing? What have you done in the past that can help others? What problems have you overcome in your life that other people are probably experiencing right now? Travel. Do you love to travel? Do you regularly travel to different countries or cities? Do you live in another country as an expat? Do you know all of the great places to visit in certain countries? A good travel vlog always goes down well. When you go on your trips, take your camera and record everything you believe to be interesting. Even airports can be interesting for people if they have never been there before. Some people make a full-time living from their vlog traveling around the world. Why not you? Pets. Do you love animals? Do you have a dog or a cat and want to share details about them? Perhaps you can train a dog to obey certain command or teach your cat how to do tricks? There are many people that love animals and will devour your vlog if you can entertain them or show them how to solve a pet problem. Sports team fan vlog. The last few years has shown a rise in popularity of vlogs around sports teams. If you follow a particular team passionately and attend their matches all of the time, then why not take your camera and conduct interviews with other fans afterwards? You can also vlog about news and upcoming events. Personal development. This is a huge subject that is always in demand. Have you had to overcome a lot of challenges in your life to get to where you are today? People would love to hear your story and how you overcame the various challenges. The fact that you have started a vlog shows that you are confident. So teach people how to be more confident. You don't have to be qualified to do this. Just give people advice on how to do things like set goals and achieve them. Most people's lives are very dull and routine. Show them how to get out of their comfort zone and do different things. Health and fitness. This is another big one. How do you stay in shape? What kind of diet do you have? Have you lost a lot of weight? What is your regular exercise routine? There are so many things that you create videos about in this niche. If you're new to this channel, please give us a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.